Hey guys, it's Murray Loubser here, and I'm going to tell you about my current Nighshift setup. Got the Hughes grips on here, super nice, tacky, feels good for bar spins. And then I got the BOSS V2 bars. They come in 925 rise, or that's what I'm running. Cut them down to like 28 inches or 27 inches. And then I got the RAFT stem, super solid. I like how clean it looks. It looks really nice. That comes in a 50 millimeter reach to 30 millimeter rise, super nice. And then I got the R25 forks, super solid, strong. I did cut them down a little bit with the 925 bars, just to like keep my bar slightly lower. I like that. It feels more comfortable for me. I'm not too tall. That's attached to a Vandero Pro front hub, and that's laced to an Odyssey Hazard Lite wheel. Like honestly, I've had the hub for so long and it hasn't broken, like not one problem with it. And if you keep your spokes evenly tensioned, your wheels will last you forever. I got the Odyssey Path Pro tire, super nice, love them, 2.4s. And then I got the Odyssey steel pegs with plastic sleeves attached, 4 inches 75 in length, just the longest ones I could get. I like them, just don't slip out of guidance so much. And then I got the Odyssey Thunderbolt cranks, lifetime warranty, dialed, never had a problem with them in my life. And the Guardia 25 tooth sprocket with the bash guard, built-in bash guard, super nice, don't break chains. And I just like the look of it as well. And then I got the Odyssey tripod seat post attached to the Odyssey keyboard seat, super nice. I like the little emojis and stuff on it. And then I got the Twisted Pro pedals, PC pedals, super nice for grinding, and they last forever. Honestly, they don't bend and they last long. On the back here I got the Odyssey Clutch V2 coaster, and that's attached to a Hazard Light wheel again, super nice. And I got the G Sport driver side hub guard and plastic hub guard, Odyssey hub guard on the other side, same pegs as the front. Over here the frame, I'm running the Nighshift frame. I got the 20.75 top tube and the 13 back end slam to 13.25. I like a more compressed bike. I used to ride 21 inch, but I went smaller. I just felt it would be better for me, and it was. That's my bike. Sweet.